Fire-Boltt Phoenix Smart Watch. High-resolution display comes with a 1.3 TFT color full touch screen and a 240*240 pixel high resolution. This watch is covered to flaunt the sleek and stylish look, always with 260 nits peak brightness. The watch will work on a single charge for about 7 days without Bluetooth calling and about 4 days with Bluetooth calling. The watch will work on a single charge for about 7 days without Bluetooth calling and about 4 days with Bluetooth calling. Charging specs: the watch needs to be charged for 3 hours to reach 100%. The charger should be a 3.7V to 5V adapter or any laptop output. For a bare minimum of 20% charge, the watch needs to be charged for about 30 to 40 minutes. You cannot store music in the watch, you can only control the music. Gaming on wrist: enjoy playing games on the wrist itself as you are on the go. Breathe function: ensure your breathing exercise is fit and healthy with the breathing function. There is no volume control. However, when connected to BT calling, you can control the volume of the call. Smartphone notifications: get all your mobile phone notifications on this 1.3 round display full touch smartwatch and never be late for a meeting, party or date. Supported applications: notifications from all social media channels, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, call notifications, health tracking, SpO2, heart rate, sleep, sports tracking and many more.